Okay, this is Fish in the Philippines, and I've been talking about getting rid of my computer parts and such and all that. Anyway, this is a couple of towers and a couple of those micro mini towers, and some various parts and such to go with them, and a power supply, and a whole bag full of various memory chips. I'm going to carry this over to the Salvation Army and just give it to them. They can figure it out past that. Anyway, fish out. Well, this is approximately 25 cases of canning jars, or various other brands of canning jar. Between there and what's up here at the front, and the lids for some of them. Yeah, this little old lady's gonna have a bunch of jars to deal with. Anyway, this is fish from the fish. Okay, and this is another one of the things of stuff that's gone out the door. Getting rid of all these things. He quit working about 6 months or a year ago, and I just stuck it in the living room, and it was sitting on top of a couple of computers. Finally moved it over and got it on top of the air conditioners, and well, that's 4 air conditioners. They're gone. They were all up in the house too. Still got another one. It's coming out. Because, well, all that stuff gotta go. Gotta get that stuff out so I can get rid of it, have the space so I can do the floors or my living room. So, yes, this is Fish in the Philippines, and fish out. Alright, well, here goes another batch. Uninterrupted power supply, keyboard, some food, the box for the chainsaw that I got so I can cut the tree branches down. Yeah, a few other things, microwaving, a bit of clothes. And I'm gonna throw this other tire up here in there too, so get it out of the way. And the broom that's broke up there. Yeah. More stuff just gotta go. Anyway, fish out. Alright. This is the floor tiling that I just got on sale. I'm about to head back over and pick up 5 more boxes because I want to take and get enough of this to do this whole room, the kitchen in there, and down this hallway. Yeah, I've got the floor half tore up and I'm working on it. These are a couple of the air conditioners that I got to get out of here, and a few other things also. But I'm going to try to, over the next month, hopefully, get everything in here out and start putting this flooring down in this room and into the hallway, and eventually down into the kitchen and around to the little pantry. There's also a closet there that needs some. Yeah, things are a little rough around here. This is my living room, and it's a storage bin. I have beekeeping equipment over there behind some tools and such and under stuff. That's where a bunch of my boxes of canning jars was, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Here, there's the little electric chainsaw I'm going to use to clear out some branches over here and cut part of a tree down in the backyard. So yeah, anyway, incubator. Home modified. I used to raise chickens and quail and hatch them out in there. Then I've got another one that is even bigger. But yes, all this needs to get out of here over the next month so that I can get in here and start doing the floors. Oh, plumbing. I got it fixed. Now I need to patch the wall. I got the sheetrock for it. Anyway, this is fish in the Philippines, and yeah, here's a bunch more stuff. I'm going to do a different type of tile in here for this floor and the bedrooms. Yeah, tile in the bedrooms. Throw rugs, they'll work wonderful. Anyway, thank you for your time. You have a good day. This is Fish in the Philippines, and Fish is out. Later, blessings. Bye-bye. Well, here goes 5 more boxes. This will be enough to finish off my kitchen, my living room, the hallway, and the closet there in the hallway. So, yay. Such fun stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna get this loaded into the house, unloaded and into the house. I'll get back with you in a bit. Okay. Alright, this is going to be 19 of them. And that's going to give me, I think I need somewhere around 430. And this is somewhere around 5 something. So I've got plenty of extra for breakage, cutting. Yeah, I've got well over 10% for extras. Hopefully I'll have enough left over. Maybe even one whole box if I can get lucky and not mess up too much stuff. But that's always a good thing to have, is a little bit extra of your tile. Now my next question is am I going to run it going long ways with the long ways in the room, or the long ways with the going across the room, the length of the wood going across the room? I haven't figured that out yet. I have to give it a look, see, give it a try and find out. Anyway, fishing, I'm out. Later, blessings, bye bye. Whole bunch of pants, shirts, linen, blankets, all in pretty dang rough condition. It's all going out the door. Oh, and that's just barely a good start. I'm gonna keep doing it. This is Fish in the Philippines, and I'm Fish out. Alright, well, here's another one of the things I got to get rid of. These are 2 55-gallon drums in the back end of my car. Yeah. So I'm going to get rid of 2 55-gallon drums. My aunt said she needed them over here at her house for her rain catchment. So, rain catchment. Yay. And my cousin and my aunt, yeah, they can have them. Anyway. Well, my old shop vac decided to croak on me about a week and a half ago. I need this to vacuum the floors and get rid of all the stuff from chipping up the various pieces of my old tile. So I need a shop vac. And since my old one decided to start smoking and seize up, here's my new one. Hey, at least it's got a 3-year warranty, and I got a couple extra bags for it. I hope they're the right size, and I can't wait to start applying all that, but I gotta use this first. Anyway, this is Fish in the Philippines, and I'm out.